So after the prophase stage, the cell will now undergo the next stage known as the prometaphase stage. So you have prometaphase stage. And take note, the prefix pro means before. So literally, it means the stage before the cell undergoes the metaphase stage. So this is known as the prometaphase stage. So prometaphase stage consists of 5 major significant events in which we will discuss the following. Okay, so let's have the first one. So take note, this area is known as the nucleus along with the nuclear membrane. Okay, so take a look what will happen to the nucleus along with the nuclear membrane under the prometaphase stage. Okay, so the nucleus along with the nuclear membrane disappears. So this is the first stage of the prometaphase in which the nucleus or the nuclear membrane disappears. Okay, so take a look with the next event. So for the next event, after the disappearance of the nucleus, okay, what happened to the microtubule? Okay, so again, to repeat once more, observe carefully to the length of the microtubule. Okay, the microtubule becomes, okay, so under prometaphase, the microtubule becomes longer and it approaches the nuclear area. Okay, so that is the second event for the prometaphase. So again, the nucleus along with the nuclear membrane disappears. Then the microtubule of the spindle fiber, or let's say the microtubule of the mitotic spindle, becomes longer and it approaches the nuclear area, which is the area of the former nucleus. And then for the third stage, observe carefully what will happen to the third stage, okay, of prometaphase. Kindly recall the different parts of the chromosome, okay? So the green structures that appeared in our presentation are known as the kinetochore. And based from what you've learned in our previous lesson, kinetochore is the point of attachment of the microtubules or the spindle fibers. So therefore, the third event is that each sister chromatid of each chromosome forms the kinetochore. And remember, kinetochore is the point of attachment for the microtubules. Okay? So that's the third one. For the fourth one, observe carefully what will happen to the microtubules. Okay. So as you notice, in our example, some of the microtubules attach to the kinetochore. So after the formation of the kinetochore, that will be the time that the microtubules will attach to the kinetochore. Okay? And then the last but not the least, after the attachment, the microtubules will pull the kinetochore. Okay? Along with the chromosome. So the attached microtubules will pull the chromosomes. So these are the 5 major events of prometaphase stage. Okay? So at this point, let's try to review further prometaphase stage. Number 1, the nucleus and the nuclear membrane disappears. Second, the microtubule becomes longer and it approaches the nuclear area. Then next, we have the formation of kinetochore, and after the formation of the kinetochore, these microtubules will attach to the said structure, which is the kinetochore. And after the attachment to the kinetochore, the microtubules will pull the chromosomes away from each other. And that is the end of prometaphase.